What's up guys, welcome back to Finland YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you how you can create a bitget wallet. So when you open your bitget, you are going to see this first notification. You have to click on allow. So you have two options here. Either you import an existing wallet or you create a new one, but in this video I'm going to show how you can create a new one. So you click on create a wallet. When you click on that, you click on I agree. Then after that, you have two options. You can click on you should create a mnemonic wallet or you should create a keyless wallet. So we are going to create a mnemonic wallet in this video. So you click on create now. Then you have to input the pin that you want. The pin has to be a 6-digit pin. It can be anything. So let me input the pin I want. So after I inputted the pin, so it will ask me here again that I should re-enter my 6-digit pin that I just input now. So which I'm just going to do now. So my pin has been inputted, so it is going to create my wallet for me now. Let me wait for that one to load up. As you can see, wallet successfully created. So I'll click on got it. So your bitget wallet is successfully created like this. So you have to back it up by clicking on this backup. And you click on backup and you click on backup mnemonics and you click on I acknowledge this, then you back it up like this. So the pin that you created, you have to input it here or you use your fingerprint. So I'm going to use fingerprint, then I'll click on yes to activate it on my device. Then I input my fingerprint. So this is my phrase word, but guys, just know that this phrase word you must not show it to anyone else. This video I'm just doing is only for tutorial purpose. This is not my normal wallet. I only created this to educate you guys. Your phrase word, anyone can use it to access your account, so please don't ever share it with anyone. Keep it very safe. So you are going to see a kind of words like this. So when you see this word like this, you can just write it down in a book and keep it in a very safe place that only you will know. Don't give it to anyone else. So you just have to click on this backup the mnemonics, but when you want to back it up, it is going to ask you some words after clicking on that. So let's try to do that now. So let me click on the backup mnemonics. So you can see the number 8 word from the words. I have to check it where I write it down, then I will search for it among all these words that we have right here. And the 8th word is arbor. So I'll just click on arbor. This is arbor right here. Then it will ask me for the 11th word. So the 11th word from my phrase word is spray. So I have to look for spray among all these please. So this is spray right here. Then I'll input it. So the last one, which is the 9th word from my phrase word. So that one is error. I have to look for error here. Where is error? This is it. Then I'll click on it. Then after that, I'll click on confirm. If that word is not correct, it will not bring me back here. So as you can see, the exclamation mark here is no more there. So my wallet is successfully back up. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment and share your thoughts. Also share it with your loved one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching.